In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a new Facebook business page from computer. On your computer browser, open facebook.com and log into your Facebook profile. Now to create a new page, in this left-hand menu, click on Pages, or you can click on See More, and from this list find out Pages. Then click on Pages, and now click on Create Page, and select which option is best for you. Here you can select public page, or you can select upgrade your existing profile. So we are going to select this option, public page, and clicking on Next and clicking on Get Started. And we can see our page profile in this right hand side, and in this left hand side we can customize our page. So first of all, type your page name. And we can see the preview. Now right here your page category. You can select multiple categories at once, and then enter here a bio for your business page. And now click on Create Page, and now we can see the contact option showing. Enter here your website if you have. If you don't have any website, you can just leave it blank. Now if you want to add your phone number to your page, you can just click here to select your country, and then write here your phone number and enter here your email address. This should be your business email address. Just enter here. And if your business has a physical location, you can just enter here your location. You can enter here your city and your postcode, and let people know your location's hours. You can select here always open. You can select no hours available, or you can select open at selected hours. Then you can just go ahead and customize these hours for your page. So in my case, I'm selecting here always open, and then click on Next. And now it's time to add a profile photo and cover photo to our page. So click on Add Profile Picture. And now from your computer, go ahead and select a profile picture. In my case, I'm just selecting this random photo. And we can see the photo added. And click on Add Cover Photo. And now go ahead and add or upload a cover photo for your page. And we can see the live preview. You can just drag your cover photo just like this. Okay, now to add an action button to your page, click on Add Action Button. Try it, and here choose a action button. You can select Book Now, Sign Up, Send Message, Call Now, Send Email, Contact Us, Watch Now. So in my case, I'm selecting here Send Message and clicking on Next to add the action button. And now click on Next. And if you want to add or connect your WhatsApp account with your page, you can just enter here your WhatsApp account number, and you can just add it here. So in my case, I'm skipping. And now you can invite your Facebook friends to like your new business page. I'm gonna Next. And stay informed about your page. You can turn on page notification on your profile from here. You can also enable marketing and promotional emails about your page from here, and clicking on Done. And that's it. As you can see, my new business page successfully created, and this is my page profile. And once your page created, you can click on Edit to edit information to your page from here, and you can also go to Settings to customize your business page according to your needs from here. So that's how you can actually start a Facebook business page from a computer. Thanks for watching.